Hello friends, welcome to BAFNA Cars. Today we have two Defender in house for the decent modification. The first Range Rover Defender what we have installed was the rear spoiler. We have installed the side original ladder, we have installed these side boxes, and we have installed a beautiful 70 mat in that vehicle. In the second car we have done the ceramic complete treatment. We have installed the Apex Picasso in that, which makes your stock system into complete Android version. It's a full-time entertainment on your drive. We have done sun control film from Lumer, including the front windshield, which really add on the comfort in the car, sitting comfort in the car. Nevertheless, we have installed Audison Active Sub in that vehicle. It's a fantastic car. We've done the fantastic job. The customer was really very happy. And come, let's have a look in the video. So guys, thank you for watching for this video. Stay tuned for the next. Thank you.